Hi, Matt Capell with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. Hey, I'm just tackling another frequently asked question that we get. Do you need to have an appointment to come see us? The answer to that is no. You're more than welcome to come see us during our regular showroom hours. However, if you do want to take time and set up an appointment, that's always not a bad thing, because we'll make sure that we have somebody that's they're focused just on you and you have their undivided attention. So if you want to call in advance and set up an appointment, that would be great. If you want to just drop in, that's fine too. If you need to have an appointment before we open up early in the morning or in the evening, just call in advance so that way we can make arrangements to have somebody here for you. That would be great as well. So appreciate you taking time to watch this video. So the long and short of it, do you need an appointment? No. If you set one up, that's great too. We can make sure somebody has your undivided attention as well. So it's kind of up to you and what you feel comfortable with. Thanks so much, and we'll talk to you soon, okay?